Hi everyone. Today, I'll just give the template for the our cheat sheet document. So I'll be explaining about the each subsection. So later in the upcoming videos, I'll be describing how do you develop a cheat sheet or a particular project. So the normally, right, this cheat sheet is nothing but a kind of reference document or self learning doc. Okay. So suppose that you are given a new project or you are assigned a new project, right? So normally, right, we can develop a cheat sheet document for the project, right? So expanding each section. So let's go to the first section. This is the introduction. It's a brief description of the project. Means what is the project all about? What is the use cases of this project and advantages of this solution. Then the second next section you'll have the project type. Project type will be some of them will be development projects where in the development project only you'll have multiple varieties, like you'll be having a version 0.1 where you're developing from the scratch, right? So those are scratch development projects. In some cases what happens is you will be adding some features to a particular base model, so that is also enhancement project. Then you'll have porting projects. Porting projects are nothing but you normally have a software running on one platform. You want to run the same software, right, on a different platform, right? You will end up in some issues. You may have to fix those bugs, so make it work on the other platform. So that is a porting process. Then you'll have the proof of concept projects, like you want to showcase some of the technology, right? I mean one application, right? So you'll develop a use case, you will develop some base version of the project, right? So that is nothing but your proof of concept. In this you may not have the complete features, but you will try to portray some of the features, right, so that they work um, at least 60 to 70% of the concept. Block diagram is nothing but how the use case is achieved, right? What are the different blocks, right? Whether it could be pertaining to software or hardware, right? What are the different messages involved? How do they each block, right, communicate with each other? and and the features, means features are nothing but your complete you can divide the project, right, into feature list, like what are the for achieving this use case, right? What are the features you need? Suppose you want to store a data, right, onto the database, right? You will have the main solution where UI will be there, your database will be there, then store and delete, right? All these are different features. So in implementation description, then you'll have the implementation. How do you implement this? You can the next section is the subtask for each feature. Subtasks for each feature, right, can be while executing this, it's very difficult, right, to start working on the feature without splitting it. You have to split the task, right, into subtasks, so that, right, it is easy to track, as well as you can have a clarity of development. Then you'll have the test setup. How do you test this solution? Then the testing process, what are the tools involved?